In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared drive on Google Workspace. This is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance collaboration and file management within your organization. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Workspace. This will be your starting point for creating a shared drive. To do this, you can use any web browser. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Select the Google account you'd like to use for this purpose. If you work across multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your Google Workspace. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Take a moment to type it in carefully, and when you're ready, click on the next button to proceed. This is a critical security step to ensure that only authorized users can access these administrative features. Once you have successfully logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon made up of 9 squares, often referred to as the waffle icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several Google app options. From the drop-down menu, locate and select the Admin Console. This will take you to the administrative backend of Google Workspace, where you can manage various aspects of your account. In the Admin Console, you'll find several options. You'll want to click on Apps. This section allows you to manage the different Google Workspace services available to your organization. After clicking on Apps, select Google Workspace. This will display all the core services under Google Workspace that you have at your disposal. Now look for Drive and Docs and click on it. This is where you'll manage settings related to Google Drive and Google Docs for your organization. Next, we need to configure your sharing settings to enable the creation of a shared drive. Click on Sharing Settings. This will take you to a page where you can adjust how files and folders are shared within your organization and beyond. In Sharing Settings, look for Sharing Options and click on it. This will allow you to customize how sharing works in your Google Workspace environment. You'll find an option labeled Allow Listed Domains. By enabling this, you can control which domains your Google Workspace users can share files with. This is particularly useful if you want to restrict sharing to specific organizations or partners. Click on it to specify any domains you wish to allow list. Finally, after setting up your preferences in the sharing options, make sure to click on Save. This ensures that all your configurations are applied and preserved. With that, you've completed the setup process in the Admin Console. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Google Workspace's administrative settings to set up a shared drive. This shared drive will serve as a collaborative space where members of your organization can store, share, and manage files collectively, enhancing productivity and teamwork. Remember, the shared drive you've created will be accessible to users based on the permissions you've set, so take a moment to review those settings and make any necessary adjustments to ensure that your team can collaborate effectively. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and that you're now more confident in managing Google Workspace's shared drives. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore more of our guides or reach out for support. Happy collaborating!